Oh, excitement! My kitchen is all finished. I've decluttered and cleaned it. Now this is the original kitchen from when my unit was built back in the late 80s, early 90s. It's not ideal. I do have it on my list to renovate. I've already renovated the bathroom and this one will be next. So some of my organising solutions aren't perfect, but I know that the newer kitchen designs have some brilliant organising solutions, so I'm making do. So I'll just show you what I've got. So I'll start with the pantry. It actually doesn't look that different. I've just kind of tidied it up a bit. I did find a few things that were out of date. Down at the bottom I've got an old blue bin that I use to store my plastic bags in, and the white bin is for recycling. I'll just show you a quick tip for people that still have phone books. If you put them on the side like this to save space, it's a really good idea to get a thick black marker and mark down what each book is for. Just makes it really easy to get them when you need them. So that's my pantry. Some space savers here, and these are actually baskets. This one's put on its side just to save some space, and then the one down below, I'm a person who throws packets of pasta and stuff and it annoys me if it's all in a jumble, so it just helps to keep it all in one place. Next this is the cupboard that has my pots and pans in, so it's located underneath the oven. This probably doesn't look much different. That's the cupboard that has plastic containers in, so nice and close when I cook something to box it all up. This is very ugly. I really do not like this, but it works well to have it here because unfortunately the laminate underneath is going a bit funny because of its age, so I've just put this here. And then I have decluttered my recipe books. I didn't think there was any to get rid of, but I think I've got rid of about 4 books. And there we go. That's it. The background looks a bit of a mess because all my decluttered stuff is in there. Alright, hope this helps some people.